Excuse me, sir. You promised me a cup and broke my trust.
Did you like and watch 3 times?
Yep.
Did you remember to subscribe?
I subscribed using my dog's account.
Then your dog gets the slushy. Comment when you're done.
Excuse me, sir. I just called the Slushy Crisis Hotline.
Did you watch the video 3 times?
Twice and a half.
Did you like and subscribe?
Forgot to like.
That's not a crisis. It's a cup fail.
Excuse me, miss. I did everything, and I still got no cup.
Like the video?
Yup.
Watch 3 times.
Yup.
Subscribe.
I think YouTube unsubscribed me as a prank.
Excuse me, miss. No slushy, and I followed everything.
Did you like the video?
Yep.
Watched it 3 times?
I got to 2.5. Then my phone died.
So did your slushy dreams. Make sure you do those steps.
Excuse me, sir. I didn't get my slushy, and it's not my fault.
What happened?
I told my friend to do the steps for me.
And did they?
Nope, he said. I'm only here for me.
Then he can meme about missing slushies. You can still hit like and subscribe to get one you know.
Excuse me, miss. Give me my slushy right now.
Whoa, did you like the vid?
Yes, twice.
Watched 3 times.
I looked it while brushing my teeth.
Subscribed.
I thought about it.
Thinking isn't clicking. No click, no cup.
Excuse me, sir. I was robbed of my slushy.
What happened?
I followed all the steps.
Subscribe to
My little brother unsubscribed me as a prank.
Sibling Sabotage is tragic.
He should be banned.
And you should resubscribe.
Excuse me, miss. I did everything. My cup is missing.
You like the video?
Yes.
Watched 3 times?
Yep.
Subscribed.
I told my mom to do it.
Did she do it?
She said maybe tomorrow. I'm suing.
Excuse me, sir. This is unfair. Where is my slushy?
Did you follow all the steps?
Yeah.
Subscribed?
Ugh, I don't believe in subscribing.
Well, I don't believe in giving cups to rebels.
This is a slushy injustice.
Slushy denied.
Excuse me, miss. I'm calling the cops. This is a slushy emergency.
Did you like the video?
Yes.
Watch it 3 times.
Yes again.
Subscribed.
Wait, I thought that part was optional.
Tell the cops you skipped the most important step.
Excuse me, sir. Not getting my cup is a crime.
Did you like and watch 3 times?
Yes.
Did you subscribe?
I was going to...
You'll be going to court instead. So make sure to like, watch, and subscribe now.
Excuse me, miss. I want a refund for my free slushy.
Did you do the steps?
I watched it 5 times.
Liked and subscribed?
Forgot to like.
Then you get a refund of nothing.